Hey guys, today we will do another airdrop DOP test. So basically this is a test token they will give, and by participating in these tasks you can participate in the airdrop campaign if they will give some reward. But just to make sure that this is just with an if, that in case they give the airdrop, I mean it is not 100% sure that it will always happen. Although they said that they will give the reward, you will see on the page. I will show you guys. So first of all you need to open, I will paste my link in the description, the referral link. So go on their website. Meanwhile I will copy a email which we need to add, like here. Make sure that I'm using temporary mail, you use your real mail. By the way, just to be on safe side, make sure that you connect a new wallet instead of connecting an old wallet, because it could be quite risky. Okay, so we will create a new wallet and set up password. Never. So I'm gonna just copy this key. Obviously I'm not going to use this wallet, so you guys can feel free to take the key if you would like. Now we need to confirm. Okay, let's go it one by one. Scorpion Club, like. Okay, so once this is done, you will get see this a private key also. So make sure that you save both your private key as well as the recovery phrase. And other thing, you need to have another phrase which is of MetaMask, so that will be different from this one. So make a new MetaMask wallet instead of this one. And okay, now let's start. So first of all we need to connect with the MetaMask wallet. I will connect it. Okay, switch network. It will switch to the test net, as you can see here. Let me show you guys. Okay, this is Spolia. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but anyway, so it is connected. Next thing you need to do is sign in with the Twitter or X account, authorize app. If your application is already logged in the browser, I mean a Twitter account, so it will authorize. Then the next step you need to do is follow the account, and you can see they have already 700, almost 700,000 users or followers. Okay, so next thing where we have to verify human. Okay, let's do it quicker. Sometime it can take time, maybe couple of times you need to verify because of a lot of traffic, so that's okay. Okay, let's verify. Okay, now two tasks are done. Next thing is we need to claim Spolia Ethereum. It will be just few clicks. You need to just keep clicking on allow from the MetaMask, so the rest of the tasks are easy. Okay, so that's done, and now we need to claim. It may take few seconds. Okay, let's wait here. Meanwhile we are waiting, just make sure that you create a new wallet, or the wallet which does not have, or you are not planning to fund that account with a lot of amount. A few bucks or few dollars there are fine. Okay, once that is completed, now we need to claim testnet assets. We are gonna, by default it is USDT, so we are going to choose that. Okay, confirm. And it will be confirmed. It may take a while, so please make sure to like the video and share it with your friends, and also subscribe the channel. I keep posting videos related to airdrop, or airdrop tutorial, how to do the airdrop tutorial. Okay, now we need to encrypt the assets. So select token, we have already DOP test, so I'm gonna choose 500 here. You can choose any amount, but make sure that any amount that you do, in the next step you do the half of it. Okay, approve. So it's just a straightforward step, like just you need to just click, you don't need to even type a lot of things. Only thing, the first main task was to follow the Twitter, authorize and follow the Twitter. That's the only thing that you need as something else. Apart from that, it is pretty straightforward. Okay, so this is done. You can view in the Explorer. Anyway, so that will just show the transaction on the testnet. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Okay, as you can see, five steps are completed. So let's get started with the last one. Okay, here you need to do the account. Okay, and select the encrypted token, which we have already done 500. So let's do 200 here. Okay, confirm. It will take another few seconds. Just approve it. Okay, confirm. Okay, so once this is done, you can view this in Explorer, the transaction, but I'm gonna skip it. Hit OK. Okay, as you can see, 6 steps has been completed. Okay, now the 7th step, get started. Select the encrypt. Okay, amount, I will choose 50. I'm not gonna choose all the maximum amount, and then we need to enter the wallet password and decrypt and confirm. And decryption is in progress. Need to confirm. Okay, this is completed. So once this is done, so you will get your referral link, and you can copy and share with your friend. Once you are okay, so the last task, which is 8 1, it is a bit you can say a bit difficult, that you will not be eligible for the reward until you complete the 8th step, and which is that you need to get 3 of your friends to complete the task. Even they complete first 2 tasks, like sign in with the X or Twitter and follow DOP their account on the X, so that will be counted as one referral as completed. They don't have to complete all the tasks. And okay, here you can see you will be able to claim your reward only using the same wallet which you have completed the testnet tasks. A reminder, this is your wallet address, so you will be shown your wallet address here. So just be careful that when you complete the task, or when you start the task, so make sure to write down your wallet recovery phrase, private key, and also Metamask recovery phrase. Okay, this is it for today. If you have any question, just ask in the comment box. I make sure that I reply to all the comments next time. And see you next time, guys. Take care.